How to fix Wi-Fi disappeared after sleep in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the issue. The first method is modify power plan settings. Click on search, type control, click on control panel, click on category here, select large icons, click on power options. For the selected power plan, click on the link change plan settings. Over here, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. A pop-up will appear. Find wireless adapter settings in the list and expand this setting. Expand power setting mode by clicking on the plus icon. Here select maximum performance for both the options. Click on this link and select maximum performance. For plugged in, it will be also maximum performance. Click on apply, click on OK. Close the control panel, then change the power management setting for the wireless adapter. For this, right click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Network Adapters by clicking on this arrow. Find the wireless adapter in the list. On my computer, this is the wireless adapter. Right click on your adapter and select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab and uncheck this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK. Check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, right click on this wireless adapter and select uninstall device. Click on uninstall over here. Don't worry, this will not uninstall your wireless adapter. After restarting your computer, the wireless adapter will be automatically installed. So nothing to worry about. Close the device manager and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.